This is the second line. It's also applied the white glue. This is the white glue applied on to gluing the papers. Okay. It's mostly applied for the explosive standard products because during the shipment, white glue have better appearance, performance. It's not produce any bulk. This is a new machine. If needed, you can also apply the nail cutting. This is an automatic nail cutting. This is for easier to take the box out here. Okay. After that, the worker will assemble the box together. This is the finished box. 打开它。OK， 拿到一起，再盖回去，再盖上去。OK。This is the general rigid boxes. And then they will pack with corrugated boxes.